Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden apron. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Hudson Durable Goods Woodworking Waxed Canvas Apron, a commercial quality apron that is geared toward woodworkers but works perfectly fine for blacksmith, carpenter, leatherwork, etc. This Hudson apron is made out of rugged canvas infused with wax for water-resistant and dust repellent, so everything just falls right off without the need for excessive aftermath cleaning. The apron is sized as 17 by 34 inches with adjustable chest straps with supposedly fit size M, 5 feet 3, upward to XXL. The straps are crossover on the back with shoulder pads for maximum comfort during long working hours and quick entry/release buckle. There are 3 pockets on the chest area, 2 small ones for the pencil and 1 large enough for a cell phone. Down on the hip are 2 hammer loops, 2 pockets with dust flaps, and a large kangaroo hoodie-style pocket. The whole apron is brown with a metal grommet and double sewing where all the pockets and straps connected. It pulls a rugged yet stylish look, making you feel like a real professional. It is comfortable and durable and provides enough storage for your instruments so you can have every tool for trade within arm's length. So what makes the Hudson Deluxe stand out from the rest? Number 2. Woodworking Shop Apron by Ecozen Lifestyle. Another great woodworking apron with many pockets and gears looping. The 16-ounce canvas apron from the Ecozen Lifestyle is made in several editions that differ not only in color but the pocket and features as well. All versions except the length are measured at standard 27 by 34 inches, while the long version is at 36 inches with split bottom for easy movement. They're all equipped with 1 zipped phone pocket and 2 pencil slots on the chest area. Around the waist are 1 kangaroo-style pocket, 2 flap-covered large tool pockets, 1 hammer loop, 1 hammer ring, quick-release back buckle, padded shoulder straps, and crossback design. The brown version has an extra loop on the right chest area for safety glass and a metal tape holder. Not only is this Ecozen Lifestyle apron extremely comfortable, thanks to its flexible waxed canvas, and made to fit all sorts of body types and heights, but several reviewers had a few near misses with flying wood chunks and were protected from bruising and abrasions thanks to its coverage. Hands down the best work apron I've ever used, wrote one happy customer. I work in a wood shop and wear it every day. I love the covered pockets that don't fill up with sawdust, and the hoodie pocket is a great place for your hands while contemplating the next step of a project. Number 3. Texas Waxed Canvas Heavy Duty Shop Apron. The apron is constructed of 16 ounces water-resistant wax canvas reinforced pockets with flaps, steel grommets. All are carefully handcrafted and double-sewed. This apron is measured 27 by 34 inches with a long crossback strap to help with neck pressure and fit up to 50 inches waist. The shoulder is equipped with a removable pad for extra comfort. There are several pockets. Include the pencil/small tools and a phone pocket right in the chest area. Tool pockets are measured at 7 by 7 inches and easily fit most tools. They also have flaps that can be tucked in to keep dirt away when needed. The whole apron comes in a gift box with care instructions so you can easily buy it and ship to a loved one. This wax apron is available in standard, brown, and a deluxe edition, brown and amp, gray. While the material and function are the same, the deluxe version comes with 2 hammer loops, a snapped closure on the phone pocket, and a quick release buckle on the back. Both versions are dyed with natural AZO-free to provide safe fabric without leaching or hazardous. Although there are numerous products in its category, this apron has continued to receive a lot of positive feedback, which is a testament to its high quality and unique style. So what do you stand to gain by purchasing this item? Number 4. NoCry Professional Canvas Work Apron. When working in the garden, you never know just how many tools you might need, and the NoCry gardening apron with pockets will hold them all. This durable bib apron is made out of 600 Oxford canvas and features double stitching, adding to its strength. It's also lightweight and waterproof. You won't be at a loss for pockets because this apron features 16 deep ones in a variety of widths, so it's ready to tote all your tools. It has a unisex, one-size-fits-all design with an adjustable waist strap that adjusts to 55 inches. The shoulder straps are padded for comfort and are also adjustable. Both the waist and shoulder straps have quick release buckles. If you're not set on leather or waxed canvas, it comes with padded, adjustable straps, deep pockets, and is an optimal choice for purposes other than woodworking too. You can buy NoCry's version with 10 fewer pockets for a couple bucks less, but who doesn't appreciate additional storage space? One woodshop owner loved that they didn't have to be on a constant search for their tools, and another reviewer noted that the shoulder straps help take pressure off of your neck while working. Number 5. Geboor Gardening Tool Waste Apron. Looking for a gardening waste apron that will hold all your tools and keep you cool in the summer heat? Look no further than this affordable option, made from strong Oxford fabric. It features 7 pockets of different sizes and depths, a durable high-impact plastic buckle, and reinforced loops for extra durability. It's lightweight and adjustable, so it will fit waists from 32 inches to 46.5 inches, and it comes in black or gray. Plus, the handy hook on one pocket is perfect for hanging your gardening gloves or other small items. One drawback of this gardening waste apron is that the belt runs small. If you are just starting out, this gardening waste apron is a great choice since it is so affordable and has everything you need to get started on any gardening task. This cost-effective garden tool belt has 7 various pockets to fit all of your landscaping accessories. The belt is easy to equip and snap into place by way of a secure buckle. The Gibor gardening tool belt is made from Oxford fabric, which is highly durable and washable. This belt will help make using gardening tools more efficient.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.